Hello guys, this is the Math Master, and today, as you know, we're going to do practice questions. And because I've explained you all about indices in the previous lectures about laws and rules of indices, so let's get started. And for reference, I'm going to be telling you where are these questions being taken from. So first of all, we take exercise number 4A of Mathematics Syllabus D. That's a book, it's a series of books, syllabus D, and you can find it in various editions and different numbers. So let's start exercise number 4A, question 1 part A, which is 2 cube into 2 power 7. Now this is a very basic question. It's just for your warm up, and you just have to apply law 1 of indices, which says if the bases or the numbers are same and the powers are different and they are being multiplied, so the number would come as 1, and those powers 3 and 7 would be added. It's so simple because the base is same. You take this base as 1, and this base's power matters, not the number, because the number is same, so it doesn't matter if you take this one is the same. Its power matters because its power is different. So 2 power 3 plus 7, and we get the answer 2 power 10. 2 power 10 is answer. If the question is telling you to expand it into 2 power 10, 2 into, which will give you 2, wait a minute, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, something like that. You have to do it, otherwise give the answer in power. Moving on to question number 2, which is question 1 part B, minus 4 to the power 6 into minus 4 to the power 5. Now this might seem to be tricky because there's a minus sign in there, but you don't have to worry because, as I said, the base is same in the both. So you write minus 4 as it is, minus 4 bracket and then 6 plus 5, because the base matters because it's the same, so you take as 1. Why don't you take 4? Because 4 is neither present in this nor is it present in this, so 4 is over here. Oh, sorry. Alright, so what do we get? The answer 6 plus 5 is very simple. It was taught to you in KG, kindergarten. It's 11. So minus 4 to the power 11 is your answer. These two questions were just to warm up your mind. Now we're going to play with some variables and more further stuff, and it's not going to include multiplication. It's going to include division as well as subtraction and addition and much more. So first of all, let's start with a simple question, a nice one. It says, wait a minute please. Yes, 3 power over 9 square whole cube. This is question number 4 part D of exercise 4A, syllabus D. Alright, so again it's the same, but it's just a fraction instead of a whole number. So you take the power 3 cube and 9 to the power 2 into 3. Why? Because whenever a bracket is there, so you multiply it and the powers are being multiplied in brackets. So n power 2 into 3 is the answer. So it will become 27 over n to the power 6. Answer. It's very simple. Alright, next question. Now this question you have to do on your own. This is a little bit tricky, so make sure to concentrate on your mind and do it according to the rules. H to the power 9, k to the power 6 divided by h to the power 5 and k to the power 4. Pause the video if you need to, and solve it in a rough piece of paper on your pamphlet or whatever, and check your answers from here because I'm starting to solve it. Alright, give it a try if you want to. So let's start. We've got H and H. We've got K and K. We've got two similar terms in H and K. So as I told you before, take it as one. H comes over here, K comes over here. Because these are similar terms, both the similar terms are being multiplied, bases are being multiplied, H and K. So over here also they are going to be multiplied. Here's a divide sign. So what's in the divide sign? This H power 9. And what we're going to do with H power 5, it's very easy. Law number 2, I think, of indices. So it's going to be H power 9 minus 5, because whenever divide sign, so minus. Whenever multiplication sign, it's plus or addition. So similar is the case with over here with K to the power 6 divide sign minus K to the power 4, which will come over here, because there's a divide sign between powers get minus of the same basis. H power 9 minus 5 is of course 4, and K square would be the answer. Do you get it right? Have you done it this way? Very nice if you have to, but don't worry if you didn't catch up to that. You will learn by practicing. Maths is a subject of practice. You need to give it more time. So let's just move forward, and we've got another question like this, but it's a little bit more tricky than that. Minus 10 x to the power of 5 y to the power of 6, it's in bracket, divided by minus 2 xy cube. Now this may seem to you a little bit confusing, but it's not. Why? Because it's not. That's it. It's not. You write minus 10 over minus 2 in a fraction. Because just you're new to this, if you are new, then you can write like this, because it's easier this way. Similarly, because it's a divide means a fraction, simple as that. You know about that, right? So now let's get to the similar terms like we did in the previous question, the x and x, y and y. So we write x as 1, because remember, always 1, and y. And yeah, I forgot to mention, please do this question as well for practice. But if you don't get it right, no problem, I'm gonna solve it, check it. Alright, so x to the power 5 is copied, and divide sign in between. And see, there's no power over here on x. What does this mean? There's nothing. Like y has a 3 on it, x has nothing on it. What does this mean? Nothing means 1. So for your convenience, you can write 1 on those variables which do not include a power, which powers are not shown. It means their power is 1. So because you multiply anything by 1 gives you the same number, so we write nothing. So like y into y gives us a different number, but y into 1 does not give us a different number. So as I told you that it was the power 1, so divide sign means minus and minus 1. Apart from this, y power 6 and minus, because of divide sign, same basis, and different powers means minus 3. Minus, if were to be minus 3 power, if this were to be minus 3, just assuming. So what would be done over here? For your convenience, I'm going to write like 6 minus minus 3. Sorry, my battery is low. Anyways, 6 minus minus 3, and it will give you the answer plus. So minus signs that will be cancelled over here. 10 divided by 2 would be 5, x power 4, and y power 6 minus 3 is 3. And just to know that this isn't minus, just minus 3. So this is your answer. Show proper working as well. So alright, so these were the questions for today. I'm gonna give you a little bit more questions, 3 questions more for practice. You can practice them, and the answers will be revealed tomorrow, inshallah. And so first we write the question. Let's write the question first. 2a square over b into a over b square over 2. This is the first question, just to give you a hint that there is a 2a squared over b and a square, so square the terms and then do it. And the second question is very easy as well. This is minus 3d cube whole square divided by 2d cube. The third question, which is also quite easy, you don't have to worry about it, just pay concentration and do it. It's a piece of cake. Is c square d square into minus 5 c cube d cube whole square. So these are the three questions. The answer will be revealed tomorrow, and make sure you do them. Practice maths every day. And this is the Math Master. Thank you for supporting us. Keep supporting us, and goodbye.